Good morning, America. We're here in Staten Island. It's here Robin Churro, and they're here on Groundhog's Day 2018, where Punxsutawney Phil just predicted 6 more weeks of winter. Give it up for Punxsutawney Phil. And you know what Punxsutawney Phil says is what? Oh wow! Oh wow! Okay.
Whoa,
I got breaking news. We have a descending voice here. Sir, what's your name?
Let me tell you something, pal. There's one fucking groundhog you need to pay attention to, and it's me, Staten Island Chuck, all right?
Okay.
All right? Pay attention to me. I ride the ferry back and forth. I know the weather patterns, bro. I stick my finger in the air, and I know what the way the wind is blowing. You understand me? And it blows like your mother. Understand this. Winter is over, all right? Winter is fucking over. It's about to be a real hot summer. You understand me? I got a mixtape dropping soon. You know what I'm saying? It's featuring the Bodega Boys, These Is Nice, and the Kid Mero. You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm doing a motherfucking intro for the most illustrious podcast on the face of the fucking goddamn earth. You understand me? Shout out to my nigga Michael Sal Anthony. He's in the basement fucking leaning. I'll be right there with them bundles, pal. Hold tight, all right? I know you're sick. I know your tummy hurts, you know what I mean? But I'll be there in a second, you know what I mean? Hey, listen to me. Summer is coming. You know what I'm saying? So get ready to hit up La Marina and get you a nice little Latin broad. You know what I mean? Take her back home. You know what I'm saying? Take a Uber. You know what I mean? Because she'll be embarrassed if you take her on the ferry. You understand me? Let me tell you something. I got fucking ideas and I got information, but I ain't no motherfucking snitch. Omerta till the death of me. You understand me? Until they put me in the motherfucking ground. Shout out to Victory Boulevard. Shout out to Mike Petrozzulli over there in the meat shop. Shout out to all my guys down there at the Sanitation Garage 9 at the fucking sanitation there. All right? Let's get this fucking popping over here. It's the Bodega Boys episode motherfucking 98, you pieces of trash. It's Staten Island Chuck, the only groundhog you need to trust. You understand me? Because I keeps it funky. You understand? All right, pals? Do the motherfucking drop. Let's go.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Staten Island Chuck. I just imagine a t-shirt that has like a Staten Island Chuck. I keeps it funky.
Keeps it funky.
Yes. Available for birthday parties. Yeah. Say, can you? Yeah. Yes. You hear that? You hear that crystal clear clarity? You hear that refreshing beverage being sipped? That's like episode 98. We're coming to you live from 220 West 18th Street. Red Bull Studios.
The clarity
Let's talk about the equipment in here.
It's so clear. The mic's so beautiful.
No bootleg shit here.
Nah,
Listen,
man.
these are good. These ain't those Kobe headphones you get, and then one starts working, you gotta start moving the wire
around, wrap it around.
Now.
Tie the shit with a rubber band.
Oh, you millennials like, these is my whole life I've had AirPods.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about.
They are wonderful.
I was born in 1985.
They're wonderful. Bluetooth.
Yeah, they're great.
Bluetooth. It's amazing.
I'm gonna keep it funky though. I was in the back of a car and I sneezed and one of them fell out.
Yeah,
So-
when they fall, you get a little nervous because you're like, damn,
where'd I should go?
These shits is wild expensive. I am fucked. Fuck you, Steve Jobs.
Yo, you fucking
You
coward.
genius. Yo, it's your boy, Jesus Nice, a.k.a. Jesus Vice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pockets Face Set, like Terrio, Chris Stapper, Sing Dick, Eli Libby, Muchos Goli, so but that might know you, bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nas Durando, 1994 in Nueva York, Mikhail going off, the Juve boss, MC Luka Gunga be pulling up for 40 with Shorty, a.k.a. Don't Talk to Me in the Uber Poop, bro.
I don't know you, dude.
The original one plus one guy plus one. Don't make a fuss. These are Rossi, the Jamaican Jew.
very
Jermaine
nice.
Avocado Toast. Young Pa, the Ghost Mufasa. Young Charcuterie. Without the coonery. Delicious. We retain the flavor. AK Chili Limon, left-hander reliever for the Yankees. Kelo Gang.
Papi, estamos en mente, fico, weekend.
You know what it is. Vice City Michael Chaka, 3-Phone Jones, Jesus X Machina, Jay Chunko, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bonner's label, dilute.
Shit.
Dilute. Gennaro Trapio, Mr. 240 P like my Pito. Blurry. That's an obsession. Yeah, oh yeah. DJ Woolite here listening to Wash FM. Up next, we got 4 hours of Cain and Abel. Yeah. You remember that? You remember them? They were twins.
Damn.
The Curry Goat. Them niggas both went to jail for drugs.
Yeah. Something
Wow.
up. They stay
How
together.
y'all both rappers and nah, man.
They stick together.
He's my twin and my Cody.
Yo.
That's a UPN show. The Curry Goat, Jesus Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx Celine Dion, Ray Nephew, the Moreno, you can't contain him.
No.
Human Memory, Word to Jah, Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henrik Budkos, Mr. Bangdella, Sergio Can't See Me, Virgil, Vladimir Buffin, the Human World is melting in your mouth, Mr. Bex on Decadent, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich, Morse, we're just Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got the cucumber. The juice is suppressed, but your boy never is. I just thought we could just record this, and then we could just play the recording of this, and we don't have to say it every time.
Oh, shit, that's right.
And that would be mad lazy and not be the art, damn it! Ah! Listen,
That's factual.
That's factual. No, I'm not Maccabee. I got Cucumber the Boy. The Juice of the Press, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it.
Yeah.
The Dundallica News, no more Cup of Noodles, the Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Nova, Casanova, William H. 10, 5 cents, 10 cents.
Wow, what you want?
Wilson,
What you want?
Give me what you want. Sound like an angel. Yes, I have my mother's songs. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Saga, catch me in square one, top left.
Yeah, Mantas Marv.
You know what it is. Chill Rizzuto, holy cow. Catch me in the money store. Mr. Son Palms, all they do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff, Soda, and it's me, Sonny D. Hey. David, you're man. Jesus Expensive, Jesus Red Bottle,
What are
Jesus
they?
Bloody Shoes.
Oh, man.
Smokeem Noah. Mr. Shopping the Street Easy with a bad breeze like I'm easy, please believe me. The Black Asiatic who'll crack your back like automatic craftmatic. Mr. Lamarina, Miss Marina with a first misdemeanor and a cold demeanor, aka you're problematic. Babe, just make up a social security number for the kids the IRS will never check.
Yeah.
And now, to the left of me, I pass the microphone in a cipher of hip hop.
Yo, hip hop, 5 elements,
Okay.
KRS One's nose. Yo,
Check it out, to the left of me, it's the Latino with the goals.
Yo, it's the THE, the KID, the ME to the RO, aka the motherfucking human durag clap nigga, aka Curve Gotti, aka Triz Khalifa, aka Skirt Loader Hop the Curb, aka I know fucking baby, I'm fucking man. Shut up, my nigga, aka check the guest list again. I'm running right there next to Tom Brady, nigga, and I don't even kiss my kids on the mouth, dog. You know what I'm saying? I spent half my annual income on in-app purchase, nigga, because I'm the fucking dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? Aka Bench Smack Biombo, aka Dick in your Bay Matumbo. You don't come with this pussy no more, my nigga. This shit belong to me now. I put my name on this shit, huh? AKA Barlow Santana, so smooth. AKA the Dominican Dot Donna, catch me on Dykeman every motherfucking weekend. AKA Lighten El Touchy. Hello, is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that your ass ain't never been on post. AKA Tom Brady, your girl got my balls deflated. Mind your business about how I make out with my children. AKA Phil the Ass Tyson, I want to expose your cosmos, man. You know what I'm saying? So open them up. I'm trying to get into your Milky Way. AKA Frino Messi, MVP of Gelato. AKA Zaniel Bedingfield. Now you gotta get some sticks. Yo, AKA Joe Hookah, I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. AKA Ben Bosson. Have the precision of a Swiss watch. I replace your spinal fluid with brake fluid so you can slow your roll, motherfucker. Candy, cook up them yams. Let's go. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I open your medicine cabinet, nigga. Please secure your bezels, cause I'm the Zen man. AKA Rico Sabroso, AKA Baby Newport, AKA Nino Brown, AKA The Extreme Stevie B. I wanna be the one you're teaching this podcast. Right, yeah. We live from Katona Park. Yeah. Freestyle Festival, 13th annual. We there, we lit. AKA, woo! From across the pond, mate. It's your boy. The plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. High as fuck in front of the bodega asking for change. Because if niggas made some bad career choices. AKA pulling up from 40, it's your boy Barmelos Anthony. Bang! If you see me at Target, bruh, and I'm smacked as shit, nigga, trying out sunflower seed paste, approach me like a fucking earthside mammal, nigga. I may react erratically. AKA, I sold fakely into your favorite SoundCloud rapper, nigga. He's high off motherfucking molasses and Lysol wipes that I hand squeeze myself into a bottle. And he's talking about, yo. Hasa, tírame la pista, coño, que llegó el hijo de FIFA, coño, el fucking matatán más suelto que la quijada de un tecato, más frío que el toto de un cuero en Alaska, el rey de Diamond, el varón de Bergen, dame luz que estamos oscuros, si tú tienes miedo, cómprate un pitbull mamahuevazo, que bajamos con la funda y la paca, con la chapi en alerta. Episode 98, let's fucking go.
98.
Fucking sweat.
You know what this is.
Should probably take my coat off.
Take your coat off. Mans can never be hot, but yet you are here. You are here to say man is actually perspirating.
Mans is perspirating.
Mans is a little sweaty upon the armpit.
You know
but don't forget, remember, Miro sweats, but it doesn't stink. So
nigga might sweat, but it don't smell bad.
Mm-hmm. we gotta sell little bottles, little vials of your sweat at the live show and shit. Nasty.
Like that Jesus water, they sell on fucking Univision and shit. Like, yo.
Like, please wear it around your fucking throat and shit. Niggas is like doing challenges and just drinking it. Like, the Miro sweat challenge. Tie tag 3 people. It's like, ew, nasty.
Yeah, it's for a good cause. It's for me to tell my kids to baseball camp.
Oh, so sad. So sad.
Yo.
So smooth.
Yeah.
So smooth.
Take it back to the 90s.
It's 1998.
You know what I'm saying?
This is episode 98. It's actually 2018. A lot has changed since then. Donald Trump is the president.
Oh, God.
Mask. Who was the enemy in Mask? Mask was the good guys, right?
Yeah, Mask was the good guy, but the bad guy was damn, who's the bad guy in Mask? It was the dude, it was the same dude that was the bad guy in Die Hard.
What?
I think. I could be just wild smack.
Yeah.
movies.
You said the same dude that was in the cartoon Mask? Or are you talking about the Mask with Jim Carrey?
With Jim Carrey, yeah.
Oh, okay, I don't know. Now you just got me confused, man. Oh, Venom. The Vicious Enemy Network of Mayhem.
Oh.
Do you think that they were like, when they were setting it up, they were like, yo, it's important to get the name, and the name should be the Wild Cool acronym? Or it was like Mask first? Because Mask was Mobile Armored Strike Command with a K.
With a K.
Because I got that K, nigga.
Ah, damn. That could have been mad problematic.
It could have been.
It's
Yo.
a couple Ks away from being problematic.
Mobile Armored Strike Command. I'm like, whoa. Who's you're the first battalion in Staten Island.
Oh, okay, all right.
It's just me and Slumphead Joey over there.
Yeah, it's Commander Chloe Klingon over here.
yeah.
Oh, whoa.
We used to have General Michael Anthony, but no one's heard from him in a while.
It's because I'm fucking sick, pal. I need a bag.
Michael Anthony, reset the router.
Stash the fuck up, Mom. We don't even have a fucking router. I sold it for dope.
She's one of those Tiger LCD games. It's like a fucking iPad. Yeah, I said Tiger LCD, nigga. For my broke niggas.
Damn, that shit
was mad whack because people had Game Boys and you had that, and there was only like 5 different locations your character could. That shit was, and then it was like, oh, extra level, and it was like maybe like a.
That shit was whack.
Yo, if your parents got that for you, you need to go back to that house, find it, put it in a sock, and beat them with it. Like, this was a shitty toy.
That shit don't break neither.
That shit, knock about. That shit's made from the same materials as a Nokia phone.
Yo.
You thought that shit was a fucking Honda. That shit just break apart.
Yo.
Not going on. What happened this week? Anything?
Your man,
Trump is all that. Trump hasn't been impeached yet. I don't think he's gonna get impeached. I think it's at the point now. I feel like Trump is just like a bad kid in a relationship, and we've just kind of we're broken. We're just like America's just like, just do it. You know what? Do what you want to do. I try.
Fine.
I wash my hands of you.
Yeah, you can have my phone. You can play games.
We get a little older. We're gonna put Trump. We're gonna put him away at a group home and be like, "Yo, we done.
We done.
I've tried everything.
I tried everything I could.
He is your problem now.
I tried everything I could. He's
he don't want to listen. Maybe you listen to the government. I'll see you on your birthday.
I come check on your cupcake, you bum ass motherfucker.
Nigga have the wild dramatic sit-in with your kid at Burger King in the dessert pie. Like, so how you doing in school?
Yo,
I don't go to school no more.
I don't go to school no more, nigga. I'm 19. Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here, nigga. Fuck school. I ain't passed my GED, nigga. I'm about to go to jail, nigga.
You tall though.
I mean, you know, I'll be hooping a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But fucking, you abandoned me, nigga, so fuck you.
Are you your daddy's boy? Can you go to the left? Nigga start crying. Like,
no, I can't go left.
I failed you, son. I failed you.
Nigga's life went left. Can't go left. Speaking of niggas' lives going left, your man Logan Paul is on a losing streak, tremendous losing streak. Nigga had to put out that public apology shit we talked about. Yeah. And now your man jumped out of a fucking plane to go skydiving and his main parachute didn't open. Your man almost perished.
Is that true? Or
yes.
Where are you getting this news from?
Yes.
I did not see anything about that. I feel like you might have been susceptible to fake news.
Nah. Yeah, nah. He was saved by a reserve chute, according to the New York Post, which might be fake.
Looking for a parachute.
Yo, I mean, listen, bro. Like, you did a lot of bad things in life.
Oh, they're saying he posts a picture of himself. He joked about his parachute not opening or some shit.
Nah, what a wing.
Oh,
fuck out of here.
Oh, he said his main parachute didn't open.
Yeah.
I mean, he seems like he's milking it.
Yeah.
It seems like he's milking it.
He's like, feel bad for me. Feel bad for me. I'm doing an apology tour. I almost died, guys. My main parachute didn't open, even though I have the main parachute.
Cares. Like, if you got money to parachute, no one feels bad for you.
If you die, nah.
Think about how wasteful that is. How much does it cost to skydive?
Mad money. At least $1,000. Guaranteed.
That's it? 1,000? That's what you think?
Like, if it's like one of those like group shits, like if you get a Groupon, it's probably $1,000. And then you got to sign a waiver like, yo, if you die, we're not liable for shit. Which is terrible. Like, at least, nigga, I died of skydiving. I paid mad money. I think it's even less than that. I think it could be like around $300.
It's true. Wow. Skydiving costs less than an abortion? That's wild. That is fucking wild.
It's also less stressful.
Wow. Pizza Zamero in the morning. Hey, how's it going, guys? Hey, welcome Tampa, Florida. Wake your ass up. I'm looking at the Cuba Road. There's a lot of traffic going back and forth on the Everglade Expressway. Over here is my guy, the Kid Moreno. No, it's the Kid Miro over here on weather.
Hey, listen, it's gonna rain a little bit today, so pack your umbrella. And when it rains, niggas get wet. Stay dry.
I love that. Okay, I got some new news about the Gatorland Ranch fire. It was very suspicious.
Gatorland Ranch.
That's what we're gonna end up. You keep making abortion jokes. We're gonna be doing fucking drive time radio in Tampa, Florida. You want that, nigga?
Bruh.
You wanna move your kids to Tampa, Florida?
No.
Okay?
No.
So stop making abortion jokes.
I can't fucking.
Don't you know that's how there's levels of success? And there's levels of success other niggas want that if we got, we'd be devastated. Okay? So watch your man, better yet, watch your mouth.
Yeah.
As Rosa Parks said.
No, I mean, they are stressful, you know what I mean? I've witnessed a couple, you know what I mean?
Witness abortions?
Not like in the room, but like, you know, when you take your shorty and like you hold her hand in the waiting room, like, yo, it's gonna be all right, you know what I'm saying?
Never.
I got a blunt for after, you know what I'm saying? Like, it'll be good. Take you to City Island, you know what I'm saying? Get your Henny Colada.
You wildin'. Wildin'.
You know what I'm saying? This is real life experience.
Wow, I've kept every embryo I've ever created because I create them mentally in the physicals with my maternal mate.
Oh,
And I
damn,
say,
you-
yo,
oh,
do you
man.
want yo?
Stat check is right.
I'm
Something's
like,
here.
yo, ma, listen right here. Listen, ma. I want to create with you. I want to create with intensity.
Oh, shit.
When we recognize that we are the creators of our well-being, if we open ourselves to be receptive to all the blessings that can come to us, do you
wow.
understand that we are the creator of this cosmos?
Shorty's like, wow, I'm so open right now. I'm a sapiosexual.
Okay, put my dick through the big anchor. Like, yeah.
He's a shape it on the choach and shit. Like, yeah.
Okay.
Does that give you a yeasty if you shape it on the choach? Does it lube?
Let me ask you something. How come everyone is always talking about yeast infections is bad, right? But yeasts are good in bread.
Yeah, it makes bread rise.
So I'm just saying, I feel
It'll
like
make your
the
choach
white
rise
man,
to the top?
That was the white man that got big yeast got to you, my nigga.
Yeast. Yo.
Dave Yeast.
Yo,
My favorite rapper.
Dave Yeast. Yo, shout out to Big Yeast for fucking propagating this lie, yo.
Okay.
Yo, ma, if you got a yeast infection, let that shit rock.
That,
You know
be
what
a
I'm
free
saying?
yeaster.
Let that shit,
Okay.
let your choach rise to the top.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Think about it. All through history, yeast has gotten a bad rap. Your
That's true.
people, the Jews,
Yeah.
make the bread without the yeast. Why?
We can't. We
Why?
gotta hurry up. We gotta hurry up. The Egyptians are coming. They're gonna get us.
Oh, we don't got time.
We
I'm
don't got
baking
time.
my bread.
No, we
Sal,
gotta
I'm
stop.
making this loaf.
No, you can't. You can't.
So,
Saul, listen to me. We have to go. You gotta make a matzah. We
I
can't
gotta
use
put the yeast in it.
No,
What the fuck?
skip the yeast.
I'm off this job.
We're on a time
I just
crunch.
throw the towel and I walk away. This guy wants me to make unleavened bread. What the fuck?
You walk outside, it's raining frogs.
I'm like,
oh, shit,
where's
damn.
my umbrella? The app didn't say anything about this. Is there something in the weather app for frog?
For pestilence.
You know, every time you see like a new thing, you see like fog, you be like, what the fuck is that? Imagine it's like a Friday, it's like blood. You're like, what is that?
What is that? Oh,
For
shit.
Apple, they're like, oh, that means blood.
Oh, it's blood.
It's gonna be blood, nigga.
Oh, shit.
I think one of those is for the sacrifice your firstborn. You're like,
Damn.
It's like the baby emoji. It's like the circle with the thing.
You're like, oh, shit. Nah, chill. That nigga's good at baseball. He's killing it in T-ball.
Damn. Big East. Big East. Like no one, no. There's no other time. What you do? People go in like restaurants, be like, "Yo, no, hold the yeast."
Hold the yeast.
Is that the new shit? You're gonna go to Burger King, ask for a Whopper, ask some niggas to hold the yeast.
They'd be like,
And see if a nigga that don't come. See if the nigga don't use the shit they clean the fryer grill with. He'll hop over the counter and beat you
the
with it.
shit out of you.
Because you want to have it your way.
he's like, yo, my man. First of all, they disrespected me by making me wear a fucking hairnet over my cornrows. And now you could talk about no yeast?
No yeast.
The fuck out of here, my nigga. I'm about to wash this shit.
And it also sounds bad because it sounds like you said no yeeks. So that's like a girl. She's on the head. She got the headset working the drive. Nigga, I got yeeks.
I got yeeks. Y'all want to see? You pull to the drive-thru. She got a ass hanging out the window.
Bump it up. Fuck
She's
it up.
like, by the way, I'm at Aces this weekend. You can come get your bottles from me, my nigga.
Oh shit! Oh wow! Shout out to all my Burger King and fast food employees.
Yeah,
They
man.
look like the wild dub inside the uniform. But you know you look regular when you're outside. No one looks flattering in McDonald's.
No, bro, it's like it's a guessing game. Fast food uniforms and scrubs, you can never tell.
You can kind of tell with scrubs though.
Oh yeah,
You know, it's like,
I was trying to be modest. And
They
shit.
fit just right. Also, shout out to all my big bone COs. I don't know if it's because when you locked up, you don't see the other way, but they listen. A CO be a 2 on the outside, be a 10 inside.
You be like, yo, damn, them dickies sitting right, girl.
I'm like, you see the way fucking Officer Johnson's left eye be looking that way when she walked through the yard.
Damn, she looks sexy as fucking them ACG boots.
That's why I sucking those sweaty toes. Her feet looking like she baked bread with yeast. Big yeast. She got the big yeast tramp stamp. She's bending over, locking nigga in. I'm like, oh yeah.
Yeah, man.
I'm like, why they call you Big Yeast? She's like, I rise to the top.
I rise to the top, my nigga. You already know what it is. Ooh, boy. Let me see the feet, girl. Oh, shit, look like you're making a fist with your toes.
damn,
Yeah,
Damn, girl, look like you stealing 2 loaves of pumpernickel.
Yeah, no.
She's like, this is my compression socket.
Yo, that's
My
right.
circulation's not so good. I'm like, that's not right, Ma.
Yo, I just want to say one thing. Yo, all you fucking cowards that are posting pictures of fucking KP getting dunked on by some bum ass nigga from the Celtics. It doesn't matter.
It doesn't
matter.
It does not matter.
It doesn't matter. KP's still even fucking God, nigga. Fuck out of here. Everybody gets dunked on at least once.
Yeah.
Jordan got dunked on several times.
In
You know what I'm saying? In life.
By his wife.
You know what I'm saying?
Half.
And the blackjack table.
Wow. I didn't know where we were going with that rant. I had no idea. I was just like, wow, this could be.
It's Celtics fans, bro. Boston fans are
No, I know what
annoying.
you meant, but when you were just like, oh, you cowards, I was like looking at Hassan like, just edit this part out. I think it might be a death threat against the government. He's like, for all you coward cops in Paramus, see me outside without your vest. You know what I'm saying?
I got the pump on me.
Leave the gun in the car. Fight me like a man. I'm like, what do you want?
Why? No.
What happened?
I got pulled over, nigga.
He's like, nah, niggas gave me a ticket for littering or some shit. I left my trash cans too close to the curb. I'm like,
Yo.
you want to fight a cop for that?
Yo, shout out to Jesus Matthew though, because name dropping him gets you out of all kinds of trouble with Jersey cops. Holy shit, bro.
What?
Yo, like at least twice I've done that. And it's got me out of trouble twice.
Why are you getting locked? Oh,
Yeah,
oh.
Yes.
Oh my God, you're real Michael Anthony. Oh my God.
Yo, hey, you a Yankee fan, pal? Yeah, all right, okay. Oh, it's my pal CC's over here. He's a good guy. We talk all the time. He says he likes you guys. And I'm like, oh, okay. Tell him I say hi, man. Listen, I'm gonna let you go with a warning this time, all right? But just next time, please try not to smoke
They
weed in
think
daycare
CC's
center.
Derek Jeter. They every Yankee fan that is white is racist. I'm sorry. Sorry. That's it.
They love Aaron Judge and shit, half of them.
Nah, I'm just kidding. Shout out to all my Yankee fans. Yankees only shout out my homie Jake Jestro.
You know what I'm saying? What's this shit?
Rico.
River Ave Blues?
River Ave Blues, you know what I'm
Shout to
saying?
them.
Shout to them.
You
Shout
know
to,
what I mean?
what is it, Loud HUD? I don't even know if that still exists. River Ave Blues is like the creme de la creme, the mecca of information for Yankees
That's
baseball.
right.
You can go there, you can actually find baseball information, like statistics.
Yep.
Not stuff that you find me at Foley saying after 6 beers, like, yo, I feel Aaron Judge is uncircumcised, and that gives his swing a little extra oomph.
That's you're absolutely right
know what I
about
mean?
that. Yeah, absolutely right about that. And I think it was very racist of them for them to fire Joe Girardi, you know what I'm saying? Because he's Delo Mayan personnel.
Okay.
You know?
Okay.
He's a good guy.
I see this here.
Yeah.
It's a hot take. Jorge Posada had the best hands in the game because he used to pee on both of them.
He did. He pissed on him.
He pissed on them.
Just like I piss on my. Never mind. Whoa, let's edit that out. Let's edit that out.
Let's
engineer.
check out some more traffic here on the 505. It's Tampa's #1 radio duo.
Yeah.
Jesus the dog and the kid Miro. Bizarre. Don't forget, the 99th caller gets 3 free tickets to who? Frankie Cutlass.
Oh, man.
That's right.
Puerto Rico.
Oh!
Is that his only joint? He got more joints.
He got mad joints.
I hope so.
Oh, man. Wow.
Is that his most notable joint?
Frankie Cutlass is somewhere like, really?
He's like, where am I, nigga?
Really?
He's like, damn, niggas taping up boxes in the UPS. Like, damn, where am I? That's how you gonna do me?
Shake what your mama gave you.
Oh, that was him?
Yes.
Oh, shit.
He got joints.
Oh, shit. I thought it was CNC Music Factory.
Oh, no. Shout out to Puerto Rico. He's Puerto Rican.
Woo.
You know what I'm saying? He got some joints, man. Got the remember the Cypher?
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Shout out to Frankie.
Wow. I like it like that.
Oh, baby. He did that? Wow.
Yeah, something like that.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
He's out here. Shout out. See, shout out. That's what you used to the show, because we find new information and we tell you, and then you can tell other people.
Yeah.
And they're like, I don't give a shit about
I
this.
don't give a fuck, dog.
Imagine you in like Memphis right now. You're like, yo, did you know Frankie Cutlass made Shake What Your Mama Gave You?
Yeah.
People are like, what the?
What?
Nigga,
Nigga, I thought...
get the fuck out of
Shit,
here.
fuck outta here, nigga.
Get the fuck out of here.
Fuck outta
Give me
here.
a cup of sweet tea.
Fuck out of here. Keep it moving, nigga. And stop talking into your headset.
Welcome to Chick-fil-A. God bless you. What would you like?
Oh, I'm about to... Oh,
We
man.
give you
you
4
just-
chicken biscuits as long as you're not a,
You know, one of them.
you know,
Okay, you
one
know,
of those,
guys that put stuff in their butt.
Hey. Eat more chicken. Christ be with you.
You crazy with you?
You could go to Chick-fil-A and be like, I don't got no money. And they'll just be like, here.
Here.
Yeah. You need it more than me.
God is good.
What would Jesus do?
Jesus is benevolent.
Even the Chick-fil-A here in New York, they're acceptably friendly.
Yeah. When that shit opened up, the line used to be around the corner. They used to
It
come out
hurts
with
though
iPads.
because you can see in their heart, it pains them to be nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because they're New Yorkers.
They're being forced to be nice. They're like, have a nice day. Have a nice day. What sauces would you like? Motherfucker.
They give you one Chick-fil-A sauce. You be like, can I get some more?
Give me all the sauces. They're like, sure, with pleasure. I'll give you all the sauces.
Fucking motherfucker. And then they watch you while you eat their food like, this nigga, you can open up the fucking ranch. You do the
You
ranch
eat it
in the
right at the
garbage.
register, you open one, you dip the thing, and just leave the rest on there. Like, hey,
Yeah, fuck outta
throw
there.
that away, garbage. You come in with like an outside drink, you're like, yo, can you throw this out? And they're like, sure. It's my pleasure. What would Jesus do?
What would Jesus do? Fucking clown. Hate this nigga, man. This nigga come in every day talking about, let me get a 50-50 and a chicken biscuit.
Can I get a cup of water with lemon?
Fucking clown. That half is rocking though. That half lemonade, half iced tea. Woo!
When did that
shit
become a
is
thing?
Fire.
When did that become a thing?
I think, did Arnold, I can never
He
say
did
his name.
not. Why does he get
Credit for that.
credit for that?
Did he invent that? He didn't invent
If
that.
we're gonna be honest, the person who probably invented
You gonna go there?
the problematic light just popped up.
You
What
gonna
were
go
you gonna say? Let's see if we were on the same page here. At the
person
count
who-
of 1, 2, 3.
They were black.
1, 2, 3. Thomas Jefferson.
Oh my God! No, you took that to a whole nother level.
Where you going?
I was gonna just say they were black and they got the idea stolen.
Damn, nigga. Now I look.
Now you look extra
I'm
problematic.
that problematic now. Damn it.
They invented the swirl. Oh no!
The views expressed by Jesus Knight are not necessarily those of Red Bull or Bodega Boys Incorporated.
Wow. Okay. We're coming back to you. It's episode 98.
I mean,
we had a little
listen.
technical difficulties. I'm just saying my love for George Jefferson.
Yes.
Weezy. Now moving on up.
Yeah, to the
east side.
Shout out to him for having bald nigga pride. Like, and just rocking his
but
shit.
you know, George Jefferson would have voted for Donald Trump
oh yeah,
for the tax breaks.
for sure.
Also, because he definitely was looking down on poor blacks.
Yeah.
He was a fucking with people.
Fucking JJ from Good Times is fucking Ann Coulter, dog. Like,
Well, I mean, that's real life.
That's real life.
We talk about the characters.
Oh, you don't think
You have
George
to make
is George Jefferson alive? Like, what's his
Sherman
real name?
Hemsley, no, he's dead.
Sherman Hemsley is dead.
He's dead.
Damn.
He died on the set of Amen. Remember in the beginning when he was doing that dance? He skipped in. He tripped and broke his neck.
Now get the fuck out of here. What? How did my son perish? Like, is he really? Is
I
he
just
still
told you how he perished.
No, he didn't die like that. Get the fuck. It's not $1 Million Baby,
he's
nigga.
just-
Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here.
$1 million shows. $1 million Hemsley.
Nigga tripping his head on a fucking stool.
How does shit just say the nigga died? On his Wikipedia page, it just says he died.
Of natural causes?
Nah, he died. It was a complication of. Oh, he had like a mass in his lungs.
Ooh.
And yeah, chemotherapy and cancer and stuff like that.
Oh,
Died
damn,
74.
that's sad.
Shout to him.
Shout out to him, yo. R.I.P. You know what I'm saying? JG? GJ? Damn.
Oh, he got a military funeral. So
Oh, he's military?
yeah.
Oh, shit. Look, salute.
Yeah.
Damn, bro.
Good time. Well, I mean, like, are you mad that he died? Like, what? He was in the Air Force
Oh, he's in the Air Force?
Philly.
Chair
for
Force.
South Philly.
Hey, shout out to South Philly. South Philly, get it in.
He didn't meet his father until he was 14.
Damn, bro, this is getting sadder and sadder, dog. Like,
Yo, fam, every black actor or actress
fuck.
has a wild fucked up story.
Damn.
Like,
Except for Stacey Dash.
I'm sure Stacey Dash got some parallax shit in her shit. But was Stacey Dash really an actress? Do you ever like, remember the cinematic tour de force that was Stacey Dash and Clueless?
Clueless?
No.
Donald Faison freaked it better than her in that movie. He stole the show. Shout out to him. His little mole.
Yeah, I mean,
I don't even know if I said his name wrong, but I don't care. Because the nigga was in Scrubs. Have you ever watched a single episode of Scrubs?
yes, I have. It was a good show.
You watched Scrubs?
I watched show. It was a good show.
Even when they had Shorty that was Dominican, I was like, I can't watch this. There's too many musical numbers.
I mean, okay, all right.
That's way too many musical numbers.
That's fair. But it was like Big Bang Theory is now. It was like a good show to just throw on in the background.
Just be like,
this is a cook.
Yeah.
This is a cook, and then every now and then we'll get like a little serious. You're like, no, I'm not here for that.
I'm not here for this.
I'm not here for that.
Just do another-
No
fuck
no
it.
kissing on the lips.
Nah.
Just smashing.
Yeah, just smash. Go ahead, do
Okay.
another musical number. Fuck it. Who cares?
Yeah, and then they started fucking with niggas because then they moved it from like NBC to ABC, and I was like, nope,
Nah.
no.
Yeah.
I refuse. I have pride. I refuse to follow a show to a new channel.
To the channel.
Fuck out of here. What is that? Jamaican men have given up on their family for less.
Yo, there's a whole fucking subgenre of that type of show, like just whack shows that you just leave on, like How I Met Your Mother, Big Bang Theory.
I guess Two Broke Girls would be there. I know. I gave that one shot, and I was like, wow, this shit is not like life for real at all.
I watched the commercials because you know the commercials, they always give you like the big laugh of the show.
Yeah.
And I'm like, if the big laugh of the show doesn't even make me crack a smile, forget it. I'm not even gonna bother.
But I mean, you got to remember, like the people that show's made for, like they don't have much longer to live.
Oh, that's true.
They're just old.
Yeah.
It's like CBS people.
Yeah,
what I'm saying?
niggas
Like,
watching
Or
Jack.
they're simple, and they're just like, oh, I want simple, non-offensive humor.
That's it. Just give me-
I want to eat my tapioca pudding.
That's it.
You know what I'm saying?
I just want to eat my tapioca pudding.
steamed cauliflower.
That's it, bro.
My big glass of milk
That's all I
after
wanna
a day
do.
of work.
I just want to eat this fucking yogurt and watch Kevin James be fat. That's it. That's it.
It reminds me of his old show, but it's his new show. But it's got the same characters as the
Oh,
old
wow.
show.
Oh, wow. Unbelievable. Damn, them niggas needed that check, boy.
America's stupid as fuck. And now they're rebooting Martin.
Really? Without Martin?
No, with Martin. They got a picture of Martin, Gina, and Pam, and they're all like they're kissing Martin on the cheek.
Wow.
I guess. Listen,
Gina got over that quick.
listen. When them,
When that money dry up.
listen, when them fucking debt collectors is calling,
Boy,
right? Should change up.
you forgive a lot of shit.
You be like, yo, I can pass that. Why you bringing up
Why you
shit?
bringing up bullshit? I'm in therapy.
Damn, Gina, what is even the premise gonna be?
Oh,
They can't still have Martin's living in that same raggedy ass apartment.
no, man. He had to
Like,
glow up.
Nigga had to get fired from the radio station. He still got that. Damn, what if Martin, like Gina left Martin and he got like strung out?
Oh, man.
Now he's like he's clean again, and like Gina came back, or even worse, like him and Gina like started doing dope together. Their lives fell apart.
Dope Sick Love?
Yeah.
Martin Dope Sick Love?
And like Pam was always trying to like get them out of it, but she'd party with them every now and then.
Yeah, like,
and
yo.
then one day like she comes through and it's like, damn, she used the dirty needle, so now she's like kind of sick.
Ah,
Yeah.
damn. No, they're all sick.
They all sick.
Yeah, brother man comes in and serves them bundles and
Yeah,
shit.
them niggas is doing. Oh, sad Martin. 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 Oh, damn.
Hey, how y'all feel? I'm sick, nigga. Yo, I just
man.
want to put everybody claro. The reason why I'm going in so hard on this opioid epidemic is because niggas did not give a fuck when the opioid epidemic had everybody's Puerto Rican DT strung out in the 80s, and now y'all niggas is all concerned.
That's right.
That's why I'm going in.
Teach these devils.
See, I'm teaching y'all devils, man. Y'all niggas care when these fucking white people stand island, when this fucking Mati nigga on the Ave, like, no, papi, y'all niggas didn't care. When she was breaking in my piggy bank, nigga, to go to the store, in air quotes. You know what I'm saying? Y'all niggas didn't give a fuck. Now y'all care? Because it's Oxycontin? Fuck out of here.
Wow.
That's my hot take for the day.
Damn, man. White America could be one of your kids. White America, little Erica took this. White America loves my shit. I go on to your look how many hugs I get.
Yeah.
Not that Eminem. It was like he's singing Eminem from 2002.
Yo, he's so great.
White
Oh my
America,
God.
great song by Eminem.
Yo.
But yeah.
Yeah, Scooby Boo, everybody in the 313. Scooby Boo, gibbity booty. Fuck Trump, he won't even answer to me.
Wow.
He only has beef with Jay-Z. Scooby Bee.
Now Miro mentioned I guess that was a shot at Detroit or something, but he said everyone in 313.
Yeah. No,
Don't forget, go to bodegasushi.com.
Yeah.
We got the tour tickets
live.
still up there.
We're at the Masonic Temple in Detroit. Come
You know what it is.
through.
We
The
coming
V-
through. We coming through with the church choir.
You know what I mean? The
Remember,
VIP meet and greet includes...
Providence, Baltimore,
Yo,
Boston, Detroit, Chicago,
Oh, my God.
Atlanta, and Seattle.
Yo, if you come to the Detroit show at the Masonic Temple, the VIP meet and greet includes an induction into the Illuminati.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? You will we'll prick our fingers, you get to drink our blood, and then you're Illuminati.
If you are a Bodega Hive member and you are a virgin and you live in Detroit, we need you for the VIP. Let us know.
Yep.
We're going to comp you on the VIP thing because we need to sacrifice someone.
Yeah.
So
That'll be you.
that'll be you.
You know what I'm saying? Die for the hive.
Die for that. Die for the hive. Die for the hive. Die for the hive. Everyone's just
Damn, I
circling
feel like I'm
around.
an apocalypto and shit.
Man, we're just naked with blood on our face and our Tim's on. Like, yes.
Like the
He's
DMX
dying.
cover, like, yeah,
Yes.
flesh of my flesh, blood of my blood.
Sir.
Hey, yo, gonna sacrifice this virgin, nigga.
The big leader of the Illuminati comes out like, Miro Jesus, I'm glad you could finally join.
That's right, baby.
This is it.
We here.
This is it.
Yo, about to sacrifice this shorty. The church never been touched in life. You know what I'm saying?
Crazy. This is crazy.
It's the Illuminati.
If you
Holla.
people would like to watch this for $19.95, you can watch it on Tidal.
That's right.
Streaming quality.
Exclusively.
Yo, look at my daughter Blue's feet. They mad long.
Yeah. I had a lot of Blue Ivy's feet along jokes, and I was like, let me withhold.
Nah, you gotta throw them out there every day. Now you gotta let niggas know we still spit.
Yeah.
Spicy.
Dog, she had the, but listen,
She's gonna be OD tall.
she's gonna be mad
She's
tall.
gonna be OD tall.
Judging by the feet, man.
She's gonna be very pretty as well. She's gonna be like a triple threat.
Yeah.
She's probably gonna be like a rapper, producer, / choreographer,
slash model,
dancer,
slash everything.
singer.
Yeah, everything.
We're gonna be so sick of Blue Ivy.
Oh man,
Yeah, she's either gonna take all her talents and do everything, or she's gonna do nothing.
nothing at all.
Nothing.
Just
But
chill.
not like I'm not talking about we're gonna see Blue Ivy on the 2 Chainz looking mad scrapped out.
No.
Like some NYU art kids.
She's gonna be on TMZ, like wearing weird outfits.
Yeah.
That's it. You know what I'm saying? The feet longer than the Godfather, though. Goddamn.
Wow. What does that even mean? What does that even mean?
Godfather's mad long. She's like 3 hours long.
This nigga said, damn, that's an old watch reference. This nigga said, long. Even if she was here, she'd be like, nigga, get your old ass out of here.
I don't know what that means. And my pops is 90.
The Godfather. This nigga said The Godfather. Do you know when that movie came out?
19 before I was born, probably.
Yeah.
1970 something.
That movie is almost 50 years old.
God damn. Shit.
How do you feel? Apologize to Mellow number 7.
Yo, that shit used to come on Channel 11 though, didn't it?
Yeah, it comes out all the time. It's one of those movies that's just always on the TV. I get sad now if you think about it. If you don't have cable and you gotta just watch like the movies they have on Channel 55 and shit.
Oh my
and
God.
they advertise on the train. They be like, "Yo, we're gonna be showing Wayne's World on Wednesday." I'm
Wow.
like,
Why,
It's
dog?
like, damn. It's like, damn. So I should kill myself on Wednesday.
Yeah, I
All
bet.
right, cool.
Copy. Got you.
Cool.
I got the rope and I'm ready. Let's get it.
Nigga just 6:59. Okay. Oh, Wayne's World. Thank
Party
you.
time. Excellent.
Nigga
Time to kill yourself. Woo,
Nigga just kick
woo,
the chair out from underneath me. I'm like, who's paying rent now, sucker?
Oh, damn. Dark Jesus.
Oh, we back.
Yeah.
Oh, we're
Live
dark.
from the Suicide Forest.
You know what it is. It's Jesus Nice, Logan Paul, and Kid Miro.
Yeah.
You gotta be respectful to Japan, bro.
Bro, I gotta respect, bro.
I'm fucking
outta
using
here.
chopsticks to play like.
Fucking a 5-gallon paint drum, like you on a train and shit.
No.
Oh man. Nah, we go to Japan, be wild respectful. Also, we go to Japan and probably people would just be trying to touch our faces and hair and shit like that.
They would be like, "Oh my God, Steph Curry and LeBron James." They'd be like to you, "Where's Riley? Where's Riley?"
Oh, Will Smith, Will Smith. Will Smith and Martin Lawrence. Y'all doing Bad Boys?
I'm like, if you envision your success, you are responsible for the success that you envision.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo,
Yo.
shout out to Will Smith. His IG stories is the new 48 Laws of Power.
Oh, so
Everyone is like, exactly.
Yo.
Thank you, Will
Preach,
Smith.
brother, preach, brother.
Thank you. Exactly what he's saying.
That's right.
If you manifest it, you will have it.
It will have what? Bullshit, bro.
None of that.
Stop. That doesn't work, guys.
Think about it. If all of y'all was manifesting shit, wouldn't y'all all have it?
How about that?
Think about that.
Think about that.
Think about that.
Think about how many times niggas used the word manifest in 90s hip hop, and now look at them. They're touring in Norway.
These are the words I manifest.
You know what I'm saying? Through my chest when I lyrical exist.
Okay.
I'm like, yo, how does that even make sense, pal?
Speak the lyricalism that I manifest through the chisel.
Shout out to Charlie Chisholm. Like, what? What? Why? That was random.
We're golden. We're folding.
Wow. Jurassic 5.
Jurassic 5.
With Charlie Tuna.
Hey.
Worst rap name in the game. How you name yourself Charlie Tuna? What it do? Nigga named himself after like a Prince B-side? Nigga, like, what is that? What is Yo, and nigga, and he had the wild baritone for no reason. He's like, yo, when I rap, I sound like this. Ha, ha. I'm like, bro, you sound like the nigga from Flip Mode.
We haven't roasted Charlie Tuna in a while, but I don't understand why we always do
Bro,
it.
going on him.
Also, shout out to him for being named after the mascot of Tuna Fish.
Yo, whose
He's a little
idea
thing
was
like,
that?
hey, get it in the pouch. You
What
don't
does that have to
it in
do
the
with
couch.
rap?
Hey, it's rap, okay? It's hip hop. It's golden
Yo.
era. It's lyrics.
Like, yo, like, you know, Lord Finesse, okay, he's finesse with the lyrics. You know
Damn,
what I'm saying?
Miro, let
Like,
me ask you a
understand?
question. when did you hate hip hop?
When they close Fat Beats, brother.
Woo!
Yeah, that's right.
This nigga run into his house and cry at his jazz for it. Like,
I
miss real lyrics. I miss MCs.
I miss Ruckus Records.
And then Lord Finesse just manifests himself over you. Like,
He's like, yo, word is born.
word is born. Where the three ghosts of hip hop visit you. Realism, turntablism.
Lyricism. Yo.
Who are the three ghosts of hip hop? I know. No, there can't be KRS-One anymore.
No,
after 13 days.
Lord Finesse.
It's probably like Big L.
Yeah.
They should probably be dead, I guess.
Oh, yeah, no, you're right. Yeah,
Damn, that limits it though.
Yeah, it does.
But if they're alive, they can't come. Well, no, if they're alive, they could just come visit you for real.
Is Percy P still with us? Like, I don't know.
I think so. Yeah. Damn, man. It's like Cannibal Ox.
Yo! It's like Cannibal Ox.
Oh,
Yo, my God.
listen.
What did them niggas rap about, bro? Like, there was so many groups, like, of that era that were, like, dressed like goons, but they had, like, mad scientific lyrics. And I was like, bruh. Like, I'm, like, looking at the press photo, and I'm like, these niggas are goons.
They'd be like,
Yo.
the 6-digit of pi when I come through.
I'm like, oh.
Damn.
For real,
I gotta
nigga?
bring out the math. I gotta start working
Shit,
out.
nigga. Hold on. Yo, you got a periodic table, Haley?
Yo, my guy. My guy. What's the Pythagorean theorem?
What is that?
What is that? Is it A squared, B squared?
What's the chemical symbol for gold again? Is it AU?
Damn.
God damn, what the fuck is
I'm
this?
just trying to enjoy some hip hop. Now I gotta know PEMDAS.
Damn,
nigga.
bruh. I don't want to know order operations to fucking do this shit.
Find a new album. I gotta be like, I gotta listen and order Roy G. Biv. Nigga putting hip hop through a prism.
You open the liner notes, she got mad word problems in it.
Like, solve for X. I'm like,
oh, god damn.
The producer of this track can be expressed as a quadratic equation. I'm like,
Oh, man.
I don't know what this is.
What is this, bro? I failed this shit sophomore
I gotta
year.
find an Asian kid. Wow. Wow.
Bling, bling, bling,
Wow.
bling.
Okay, the problem. Wow. It's episode 98. We are having some more technical difficulties. I don't know if these USB cables we're using is not right. I don't know if we're like our Wi-Fi signal is getting mixed up with some other channel, but I assure you.
It's the MAGA filter. Niggas got the auto MAGA.
Yeah. So when close to be said, D, or that PC shit, people are fed up with it. People are just saying it how they feel nowadays. So, I was like, that's not necessarily how it goes.
I know exactly what it is.
But, God bless you, sir.
Yo, step on it.
Oh, wow.
Oh. He's like, I like the old dance hall stuff,
Yeah.
not this new stuff. I like the old stuff, like, Step on Chi Man, stuff like that. It was good stuff.
Oh, man.
Like, yo, chill, man.
Are
You
people
can't rap
getting
that
less
anymore.
PC? It's weird now because now people get offended for you pointing out shit is offensive.
Oh, yeah.
But
It's like a hyperloop of offense. Like, yo, it's like, yo.
I'm offended that you're offended. I'm offended that you're not offended, but I'm offended that you're not offended that you're offended by offended.
Fuck.
And this is like,
It's like when Joel Santana, when he said that shit about the 9/11, niggas got mad, and then he came out of the song. He's like, I find it funny that y'all find it funny. I was like, what?
it's weird because people like even the Chappelle shit when he was like the jokes about trans people was like, yo, that shit is offensive. People was like, yo, you can't take a joke. I was like, yo, I don't really got a horse in this, but I feel like if anyone gets a chance to say they're offended,
I mean,
like, you know what I'm
you
saying?
gotta let them rock.
You know what I mean?
I'm saying that's them. You gotta let them feel how they feel. You can't
I
tell
always
them
like
how
to
they
think
feel.
about like if it was like a black joke in the 20s and shit. Like, say you're
man.
sweeping up the theater and they go on stage in blackface. I'm like, yo,
What the fuck?
what the fuck? And they're like, shut the fuck up, nigga.
Shut up, nigga. Oh.
You offended, nigga? And I'm like, whoa. I'm like, sorry.
Hey, so,
I'm like, this movie, the Blackface Rebellion is offensive to me and my people. They're like, who told y'all to read, boy? I'm like,
Oh, shit.
22 skidoo.
I don't know how to read.
Leave a big pile of ghosts, like smoke, and the broom's right there, like,
Just get back on stage, start playing the trumpet. Yo.
Who was the first white person to do blackface? Damn. They was an innovator, though.
Oh, man.
They were like a disruptor. They were the Elon Musk of racism.
They were. They started that whole shit.
Changed the shit.
Yeah.
They changed the shit. They disrupted. They saw a solution to a problem that wasn't there.
I wasn't even there yet.
Yes.
They were like, yo, I'm going to create a problem for y'all niggas to create solutions for. You're welcome. I'm creating jobs. I'm creating
If
think
we
pieces.
had White History Month, would the inventor of blackface,
Being White History Month?
yeah, would he get a name?
1,000%. Hell yeah.
Oh, wow.
He'd be right there, right next to Kurt Schilling.
Oh, shit. I think it might be Chris Schilling. Ooh.
Remember Robert Downey Jr. did blackface and nobody blinked? Like, everybody was just like, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, you know.
It's different times, man.
Hey.
What year was that?
They said John Stratberg placed it as a part of the tradition of displaying blackness for the enjoyment and edification of white viewers and dates back to 1441. Oh, it
1441?
Sounds like power.
God damn. It's about,
Yeah, I said it. Take that, stars. Not available in your cable package. Call your local cable provider and tell them bring back my stars.
I want my stars. I want
That
fucking...
was another person near and dear to me said, you know, I turn my TV on, stars isn't there anymore. What am I supposed to watch? Not...
I want to see Ghost and Tommy here. What the fuck?
Yeah.
I'm very surprised.
1441, that seems kind of late.
Yeah.
I feel like the first person to see a black person and then they saw mud was like, yo. Imagine you like a caveman.
Yeah.
And you're trying to explain a black person to another caveman that never saw a black person.
They're like, yo,
you don't know colors and stuff.
I see nigga in the forest.
Okay, that was very racist. That was very offensive. I don't know what that was, but
I don't know why you guys are so offended by the everybody's so PC nowadays.
Also, there was no white caveman describing a black caveman to another white caveman. Why? Because the original caveman were what? Black. That's right.
The Asiatic black man.
I want to write this. It's an animated movie for kids. It's like the caveman had like kente clothes,
and shit,
but it's like Under Armour. It's like, yeah. We was always kings.
That's right, brother.
We always had compression sleeves.
That's right, sweat-wicking garments.
Did you know that the pharaohs in Africa had Jordans?
Huh? Did you know that?
They don't teach you that in school.
Not at all, brother. They had colorways. They banned the colorways because it was too fly.
The pyramids was the original sneaker rooms.
Think about it.
That?
You know what I'm saying? The dead stocks was all the way at the top.
Foot Locker. Think about the foot. That's the bottom. That's the bottom. And you at the top.
Yeah.
Why they trying to lock you into the bottom?
Why they trying to lock? They trying to lock you. Foot locker. Foot shackles. Shackles around your ankles.
Think about it.
You know what I'm saying? While you on a slave ship, brother, think about that.
Take those shackles off my feet so I can dance.
Yeah, you
I wanna praise him. I wanna praise him. That went from Hotep to 1-2 step. That shit went from Hotep to Essence Fest.
Hey. Is there any room at Essence Fest for Hotep behavior? I've never been to Essence Fest.
The interesting thing about Essence Fest is a lot of the women that go to Essence Fest are Hotep, but don't even realize it.
Oh, don't realize?
So that's a whole nother conversation for a whole nother day, and I really shouldn't be speaking on it on this podcast because I'm making it very hot for myself. But listen,
trying to be up there with Charlie Wilson, like skip it.
Exactly, I'm not trying to fuck with my Essence Fest money.
Skip it.
I want to be up there and be like, give it up for the armed forces. We are Army Strong. Hoorah!
Brought to you by Coca-Cola.
Up next, we got Mary J. Blige coming to the main stage, powered by who? Built Ford Tough. That's right. The F-150 can carry you all your big girls around. Like, that's right. It's right.
Yeah, that's right.
I have pumpernickel feet, and it helps.
I've never seen a black person or a person of color, period, in a Ford F-150.
You've been two places your whole life, the Bronx and New Jersey.
Yeah, and the DR.
Yeah,
but even then they got the
doesn't count.
They got what they got out there? Datsuns, Daihatsus.
Yeah. No, if you go down south, like white and black people, they drive pickup trucks and not on some. I'm being ironic. They're like, yo,
I need this.
Some I need it. Some are just like, this is the car of choice for me.
Wow.
This is my everyday car.
This is the S550 of the South.
This is my chilling. This is my car. This is the car I go and
This is my everyday car.
But I would like to think if I was a different Jesus and I lived in like Vermont or some shit, I knew nothing about like TV and podcasts and shit. Yeah. I have like a pickup truck and I'd be like mad crafty and shit.
Yeah,
I would think I'd be a better person. I'd be making like
mad handy and shit.
Yeah, I'd make like organic juices. I'd probably help like my neighbors and shit.
Fix
volunteer,
have
teach
volunteer
kids school
firefighter
and shit.
Yeah,
but I was born in New York, piece of shit.
Yeah, boy.
And I'll be rewarded for it. Yeah. Wow, by Square Cash or by Vice with DJ Zamero, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You know what it is?
Motherfucker, tune in, stupid.
You know what it is. Tune in. So that's why sad Jesus in Vermont drinking organic kale juices. Ew. I have to hurry up. I got to go read picture book hour with this kids.
Nope. Fresh squeezed apple juice. It's cloudy because it's natural.
Nope. Ew. It's nasty Jesus. Jesus, that's angry. I did it. Hove. I'm looking into the camera. Jay-Z. Our kids don't even play together. How you not going to invite me and Miro to the Black Grammy brunch?
Come on, man.
He kind of black.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Come on, dog.
Was Romeo Santos there? Because he's on like Rock Nation Latino or some shit.
Yeah, I hope he was there. I seen a video of him. Yo, this is terrible. I seen a video. He had a video shoot where he was on a rooftop, and then there's like viral video of him getting down from the roof like on a construction ladder, and he shook to death, man. Like there's like two people trying to help him, and he's like, you know when you put your foot on a ladder, you're like, no, hold on. Okay, let me try again. Okay. Oh, also the nigga was wearing like Chelsea brunch boots.
Of course, that's why he was nervous. Ladders is not a joke. There's a ladder on the back of the Viceland bus.
That shit is treacherous.
That y'all wildin'. Y'all are very, very much wildin' with that. Because first of all, it's easy to go up. I could go up that shit with like 5 beers in my hand, like coming down. Because it's usually a drunk and you've probably been smoking. And by the time you reach that third to last, you think, oh, there can't be more than 2 left. So you're like, oh, let me hop from here, and your body's like, wait, too high. Impact alert! Impact alert!
It's like Call of Duty when you jump from the side. It's like,
bro, they got the flashing hard red screen. You're like,
oh shit!
You're like, hold on, let me catch my breath behind the cement.
Yo, I'm just duck behind his barrel real quick till I regain my composure.
They need to do that. If they want to have wars from now on, they make it so you can't die. You just get like wounded for a little bit.
Yeah.
That would not be a fun war. That would defeat
whack.
If you couldn't die, that would defeat the whole purpose of war.
A war, yeah.
Niggas just shooting at each other all day. Niggas at 5 o'clock. Niggas like, all right, see you tomorrow, Stanley.
Tag, you're it.
All right,
see you tomorrow. Tag, punch in.
War is wild. Niggas is just like, yo, let's just go kill mad people over there. Just
It's crazy.
Get down and lay down.
Yeah, that's wild. So I'm like, I'm not on some like, like shout out to the military or whatever. I respect y'all, I guess. I mean, whatever. Y'all do your thing. Y'all do your thing. You know what I'm saying? But like,
that's Miro's July 4th message. Shout out to the military and shit. Y'all do your thing.
You know what I'm saying? That's me at the USO and shit.
That's
like
you at Yankee Stadium throwing out the first pitch on July 4th. They're like, you're with veterans for all the wars and shit. They're like, an inspirational message from the Kid Miro.
Thank you. I just want to give a shout out to all the armed forces, I guess. Y'all niggas got shot at in Vietnam. Y'all niggas fighting the oil war.
Is he even where's his papers? Niggas do a DACA caca crap. You're like, wow. Y'all have gotten extremely more racist since Trump gave an hour.
Damn.
Yeah.
I mean, but that's
listen. There at least one point in the upcoming Major League Baseball season, there is going to be a "Where's your papers" chant. I'm calling it. Everyone's going to be like, "That was an anomaly. It shouldn't have happened. It was just a pocket full of people.
Just wait for it."
And Bill Simmons would be like, "Unless you got tape, you can't say it happened, even though we do know it's going to happen."
Wait, you already know it's gonna happen at Fenway.
It's going to be at Fenway, and sadly, I think it's going to be when me and you go to visit while CeCe is pitching, and I'm going to be the typical dickhead New York fan. I'm having money coming out of my hat. I have like the fucking fake rigs, a big stinky cigar.
27, fuck you, 27 ring, on a road to 28 ball bags.
I'm gonna roll up a big blunt with like mad fucking clam chowder and shit.
Yeah,
dripping out my blunt like fuck y'all.
Suck my dick.
You seen the green monster? Here's a black monster. Look at Wakanda. Look at Wakanda. I'm talking about my dick.
Hold that.
Yeah.
Smoking weed out of Staten's bat. Fuck out of here.
I'm gonna run on the field of streak and then I'm just be like, y'all not gonna catch me. They're like, nah, we wait for you to get tired. Like, oh shit. They just wait with a spike bat at the entrance. Like, yo, whenever. Get him, Sully.
You just get mad tired and lay down in center field and shit, like with a semi, like. Niggas start throwing big cans and peanuts at you.
Niggas throwing mad hot soup and be like, ow! Whose idea was it to sell clam chowder in the stadium?
Ouch!
Running naked on the field. Oh, hot soup!
My foreskin.
I'm like, Miro, throw me a hat! Throw me a fucking like Boston hat I got over my dick, like like boo!
Jimmy Fallon's there like, yo, it's crazy, man.
National disgrace.
You know what I'm saying? Speaking of Fallon, we did Fallon 3 times.
It restarts the rivalry. We actually have done Fallon three times. Three times.
You know what I'm saying?
It's like what Wyclef said on...
Yeah, 1 time, 2 time, 3 times.
Softly with his song.
Killing me softly.
We should remake Killing Me Softly, but do it as a Jamaican song. And the Killing Me Softly, the part where she's like, his song is my dick.
Yeah.
All right, I'm killing you softly with my dick.
Kill me softly with the cocky.
There you go.
Kill me softly with the cocky. Kill me softly with the cocky.
We have to hurry up because wedding season is coming. And we want that to people's. Listen,
we gotta have a dance to go with it.
Dance.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to the church the first dance of Trevor and Aloysius Jenkins.
Yo, then fucking Trevor comes out, opens up a ladder, but it's like, yeah.
Yes.
Beautiful. It's so romantic.
I bought them that ladder.
I bought it. It was on the registry.
It was actually refurbished. At Home Depot was in the front. It's like one moment.
Wild Panikaki! Wild Panikaki! Brian come out.
Like, oh.
Brian come out. She's 350 pounds.
She's 350 pounds, but she's running at top speed, and she jumps in the air and lands on a split right on top of the groom. I'm like, whoa!
Yo!
It's also the only wedding where there's Becks at every table.
Fam, I'm surprised there's not more like shattered pelvises in Jamaica. Like,
Oh no! From an early age, you know they like
Strengthens your pelvis?
stretching you. No weakness. You
No
gotta strengthen
weak-
your core. Gotta strengthen your core.
keep your core tight.
Yeah.
Yo, who
You
the
do
fuck
like the
is...
smooth running, so you can practice your hips. Nah, I mean, like you gotta be for the daggering, man.
You know what I'm saying?
For the staggering daggering.
It's for the culture.
It's for the.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? You can't come
culture.
with can't come with no weak dack.
No, you can't have a weak dagger, man. It's not
Okay.
part of the culture. You understand? Dance hall culture and hip hop culture go hand in hand. You understand? It's for the culture.
Everything for the culture, right?
Culture, everything.
For the culture.
You understand me, man? It's for the culture of hip hop.
Hip hop,
Hip hop,
real hip hop.
hip hop, hip hop. We gotta start a real hip hop festival. No, we don't.
Nah, do we really want that?
There's plenty of those in Sweden.
Do we really want another?
No.
Do we? I don't think hip hop
Is Rock the Bells a real hip hop festival? What's that lineup? Because I know they got be having like boot camp click and shit like that.
I mean, they be having like it'd be something. It would be. Yeah, it's hip hop.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's real hip hop. Okay, I was misinformed.
They don't got Lil Uzi and shit like that?
Nah, but I mean, they do have people. Like in 2012, they had like Kid Cudi, Nas, Wiz Khalifa,
Okay.
Atmosphere,
Oh, shit.
Mac Miller.
Don't ever fucking question that.
Okay, Fashion.
Damn, I just quoted him.
Schoolboy. Oh, I thought it said Schoolboy Q. I thought it said
Cool
Schoolboy
Boy Q?
Schoolboy Q. Schoolboy G, and I was like, wow.
Wow, damn.
But he no Schoolboy Q, but no.
He's the fifth member of UTFO.
Yeah, this
and
was
shit?
actually a pretty lit lineup. Naughty by Nature, Prodigy,
Yeah.
Yellow Wolf,
Uh,
DJ Lance Rock and Friends. Oh, that's the guy
man.
from.
from fucking Yo Gabba Gabba.
There you go.
Yeah.
Yo Gabba Gabba.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying when I be smacked. Be like,
Yo,
they'd be like, "What do you want to eat?" I'm like,
Yo
Gabba
Gabba
Gabba.
Gabba.
No, that's what
What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Gabagool? What is it? What do you need?
Let me get the chicken.
You want a fucking sandwich?
with the Yo Gabba Gabba bread.
Hey, come on, you give me a hard time, pal. What are you, fucking sick? Huh?
Yo.
My son's at home fucking leaning off the dope, and you're over here leaning off the dope in front of me, disrespecting me to my fucking fotch like this?
Who's your son?
Huh?
Who's your son?
He's a fucking my son's Michael Anthony. He's Michael St. Anthony. He's very important. He's done a lot of TV shows, a lot of podcast intros. He's a good guy, you know. But his mother says that this cop might be his dad, so I don't know.
Oh.
You know, she's a slut.
Everyone's like, what?
Whoa, plot twist!
plot
Yo,
twist.
shit, Michael. Yo.
The Ballad of Michael Anthony. Maybe Michael Anthony's
shit.
sick all the time because he doesn't know his real father.
Oh,
Did you think about that?
Oh shit!
Next week, all my Michael Anthonys. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! I can't. Oh my God! Mother Teresa. Oh,
Mom!
Father. Oh no.
Mom!
Oh, I always worried about the day when I found out my sweet Michael Anthony.
Mom,
found
you
out his mom-
fucking bitch! I was just on Twitter. I just listened to fucking Bodega Boys
Don't
podcast.
listen to any of that rumors.
No, he said
Don't,
it.
your father's a cop.
No.
Your father's a cop, Michael Anthony.
It's fucking Joe from Joe's Deli, you
It's
whore.
not.
You're a fucking whore.
I never hopped on his bitch deal.
You a whore.
No.
Get out of here.
No.
Next thing you know, if Artie Lang's my fucking dad, you piece of garbage.
No,
you
don't say
whore.
these things.
Fuck you. Give me $20. I'm sick. Julio's not picking up his fucking phone anymore.
Next week on the Ballad of Michael Anthony. What network can we sell this to?
Fucking Hallmark Channel. I don't even know.
This is too dark for Hallmark Channel, nigga.
Fucking TLC, dude.
Yeah.
Like Showtime.
Yeah, we got to sell this to Netflix. We got to make this shit wild, dark, and then but they're gonna be like, "Oh, I like it. I like the vision. Can we have Michael Anthony sick off of microchips?"
Yeah, how about that?
Yeah, how about that?
Okay,
How
so
about
he has like an implanted chip, and it
Yes.
makes him sick.
Okay. Also, his mother is a hologram.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and she's not racist. Let's try to remove some of the racism.
No, we don't see the racism.
Yeah, no, because also, like,
his
you know,
mother is played by Monique.
Yeah, unbelievable.
We owe her a favor.
We owe her a huge favor. We only paid her $500,000 for her little thing that she did, and she's
Am
black.
I wrong? Well, you know what?
Fuego take.
I'm broke.
Fuego take.
So to me, $500,000 is a lot of money.
It's a lot of money. Yeah.
But I mean, so I guess she feels you want more. You gotta know your worth. You gotta ask for it. But if you ask for something, there's people who's like, no.
People forget though that when you work in entertainment, it's not you sitting in these rooms being like, I want this much, negotiate this much, blah, blah, blah. You have a team of people. So Monique really should be boycotting her agency.
I think it's yeah. I think it's her husband or somebody.
You know what I'm saying? Like, you can't be having your fucking, like, your cousin running your finances.
I'm just going by what I've read from tweets and what he's in the barbershop. I don't know no facts about this. From what I heard, Monique was trying to buy CBS, and that's why she got blackballed. I don't know.
Yo, that's it.
Facts don't matter, man.
Facts don't matter.
Facts
All the
don't
facts,
matter.
like, listen, facts come from the barbershop, from
Rap lyrics,
and from Gossip. That's it.
That's it. That's it. If I see that shit in a Baller Alert comment, boop, that shit is facts. Okay? All right? All them kids is Fetty Wap's kids. I don't know the
I don't
difference.
care.
All right? And Rick Ross is a terrible father because
that's what
why
they
else
say.
would the baby mama be fighting with the other baby mama in the comments?
Right, why?
Duh.
Shut the comment creeping, though. That is the messiest shit
You know what? Because
on
when
the
people,
planet.
because Baller Alert, shout to them, they do a service for the country. Because when niggas want to get spicy in the comments, like, how am I supposed to know? Like,
Scroll through 100,000 comments. Yeah, you don't want to do that.
you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Like,
damn.
it's like, okay. You know what I mean? Like, every now and then someone will tag you with it, but every now and then, you know, they'll be like, no, come look at this shit, my nigga.
Oh, man.
This shit.
1,012,000
like,
comments.
yo,
Oh,
yeah.
shit. Shout to them. Shout to the intern that has to comb through 80,000 comments just to find Chris Brown talking shit to Carucci.
But they love it.
They love it. When they find it, they're like, oh my God, it's like finding
Found it.
gold.
I found a golden chick. Yeah, baby.
This shit's gonna get mad
Ah,
likes.
baby. You gotta, you gotta have the, you gotta find that content, baby. That's all it is, content.
That's right. You know what I'm saying?
That's all it is.
That's right, baby.
You gotta, content. It's just the dick.
Content.
Fucking the pussy that is attention.
Wow.
That's how I'm opening all my seminars.
Everybody in the front was like, oh.
They're like,
okay.
wow.
Damn, I shouldn't have ate this edible before I came here. Because this shit actually makes sense.
I'm actually opening for the Bodega Boys in Staten Island. It's everyone's favorite clown, Benzo the Clown. Hey, y'all.
Hey, what's up, guys? I'm fucking. You guys got anything to drink here? Like, not water.
It's a kids' party, Benzo.
Oh. All right, I'll be right back. I'm going to the store. I gotta get some beers.
Everybody, Benzo. You're like, where's he going? Where's he going?
Nigga comes back with a black plastic bag.
But like half of them are open already. He got like a cup on one of them. They can just leave the gate open. And just
Nigga makeup streaking and shit because the beer spilling all over his chin.
I gotta get right.
I gotta get right before I do my show, guys. Come on, you wouldn't want to half Benzo the Clown. Come on. You want the full bar.
How much longer do you need, Benzo?
Just give me like 20 minutes. I gotta just eat something, take a nap.
It's just on the couch. It turns on ESPN.
4 hours later, nigga still there watching fucking the third repeat of ESPN Sports Center.
He's like arguing.
Yo,
on first take.
He's like, fuck out of here, Max Kellerman, you're a jerk. Stephen A. Smith is right. I mean, he's black, but he's right.
Benzo, the kids are just sitting there waiting like, Mommy, is he ever gonna perform?
What is he doing? He took his shoes off. His feet are not that big.
If they even let LeBron go to Golden State,
Where's the parity in the fucking league anymore?
Benzo,
What?
he's gonna perform or not?
I am. This is performance art. You guys watch me do my thing.
He's got his pants unbuckled. He got the t-shirt with pit stains and shit.
Yeah. Nigga passed out on Zans on the couch and some peeing on himself. They gotta flip the couch cushions and shit. Just smell like benzo piss for the rest of the day. They're like, yeah. It's my-
Niggas said benzo piss, and I know that smell. My God.
Yeah, my man passed out. I'm telling you, I'm gonna keep it funky. My man passed out off a couple bars on my couch, and just really took the Wild Wissington that just got up like nothing happened. It was like, yo, I'm gonna go back. I'll be right back. I left my cigarettes at the crib. I was like, no, you didn't, nigga. You pissed on my couch. You pissed on my motherfucking couch.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. Wow.
Yo.
Jesus.
Stay off the sticks.
A benzo piss. Wow.
Yeah, man. You know, talk that stick talk.
Damn, I'm trying to think when the last time I was so like I had to just pee right there and there. It was
I'm pretty sure you peed right outside the UCB, my nigga, like into a Heineken bottle.
that was the most recent.
That was definitely not the most.
I was calling shout out to Rambling House, Woodlawn in the building. Tito. All my Irish people. No, I was coming from Woodlawn. I was
Woo, Spinzy
nigga, I was busy. But I've learned, because also my car doesn't work, so I can't. That helps a lot to avoid drinking and driving, just not having a functional vehicle. I still drink and drive. It's just me standing in the street
carefully.
as if I'm a car. Like at the light, I'm like, get out the way.
Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep.
I pull up to the person next to me. I'm like, I'm a Tesla. Look, count me 0 to 60 in 5 seconds. Ready?
I'm in ludicrous mode. So I was mixing Long Island's and beer.
Niggas just put an extension cord in my butt. I'm like, I'm charging, officer.
Let me live.
50 miles in 10 minutes.
Niggas plugged into the street light.
Niggas jerking off like, I'm regenerating my power. But yeah, I was like walking down the hill and it was, because I left the bar and it was wild cold and sometimes you leave and you be like, damn, I can make it home to pee.
Yeah.
And everybody's like, nah, nigga. Guess who overextended? Guess who overestimated their bladder? And then it's super cold.
I heard that makes your bladder weaker if you hold piss too long.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. It's not like
but
a
they're
muscle.
talking about they're not talking about like I gotta pee and you're like, oh, let me hold it. They're talking about like, yo, let me hold it for this 8-hour flight.
Nah, you wildin'.
And then when I land, I'll be peeing out razor blades of blood.
Yeah.
This shit's the cover of a Clementine orange. Yeah.
Shit straight tang coming at your dick hole.
Shit
Sunny
is
Delight.
thick.
Like the original Sunny Delight that was wild thick. Like
syrup. Yeah.
My mom used to put water in that shit. Then they came out with California style, which is just diluted.
California.
Yeah. Vic doesn't even hear the fucking
Somewhere his hair just popped up. He's like, yeah.
He's like,
Phantom Planet, yeah.
Oh, shit, I just got a text. You will respect Phantom Planet, nigga. Stop. Oh, shit.
Yeah, the California Sunny D was weird. What was that?
It was just diluted Sunny D, B. Niggas, it was a scam.
Are you saying Big Sunny Delight is a scam?
Yeah, everything's a scam. If you think about it, if you break it down to the least common denominator.
Not buy your kids Sunny Delight?
Hell no, nigga, I respect them.
Your kids cannot consent to Sunny Delight?
I'm like, yo, straight, I'm getting orange juice from Whole Foods and shit. Like, I want some.
How long do you think Sunny Delight's been out for?
1969.
Close.
Yeah.
63.
Oh shit.
Wow.
Damn.
God damn. How much Sunny Delight do you think the world bought in 2004?
500,000 gallons.
$450 million worth.
God, what?
People hate their kids.
Y'all still buying that shit?
That shit is only 5% juice.
Yo, my nigga, how much sugar is in one serving of fucking Sunny Delight?
It says, mind your business.
Yeah.
This is mind your fucking blood clot business. Keep moving.
Enough to fucking power my house.
If you go to the supermarket right now and try to turn around a bottle of Sunny Delight, it will pull out a gun on you and be like,
yo, chill.
Yo, why you making it hot?
Yo, you making it hot, B?
You want orange juice? It's down there.
Oh, you trying to read files, nigga?
Not for concentrate. You about to concentrate on this burner, my nigga.
You know what I'm saying? Get the fuck out of here. Keep moving, nigga. Tropicana's over there, nigga. We ain't buns over there.
Sorry.
Oh.
This is the rough aisle.
Damn. Yeah, that shit is thick.
It's
nigga,
like waving a gun at the bagel across the thing like, you ain't see shit.
You ain't see shit. Y'all niggas, yo, Tempty cream cheese spread, fall the fuck back.
Yo, Steakums? Nigga, you want to go back to the frozen aisle? All right.
Yeah, I know you not beef, but we get beef.
Niggas Claro. Make all y'all niggas Claro.
Fuck out of here.
You tell that nigga when he come to restock these shelves, I'm not locking in.
Fuck that.
This Big Sunny Delight over here.
You know what I'm saying? Big Sunny D. The California start come out like, word, cuz. Hey, cuz, nigga, this shit is real out here, nigga. You know what I'm saying? It's not a fucking game. I'm with my nigga from the east side. You know what I'm saying?
East side trade gang.
You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? It's Pyru, treetop Pyru over here, cuz. You know what I'm saying? I'm blood and Crip at the same time because I'm fucking California Sunny D, nigga. I don't give a fuck about colors, nigga. You understand me?
Less than 5% juice, but guess what? That 95%, it ain't pussy.
You know what I'm saying?
All right. Sunny D, the most aggressive drink. I gotta rebrand it.
Yeah.
They'd be like, I mean, right now is the perfect time to rebrand Sunny Delight. Be like, yo, do you not care what liberals think? Give them a real American drink.
Are you tired of PC bullshit?
Michelle Obama doesn't want your kids drinking this. If they just sell like that, like, Michelle Obama does not want your kids drinking this. Nigga,
they're selling out.
They're gonna start having fucking gender reveal births inside tubs of Sunny Delight. Just like, yo, the baby just come out choking like
damn, where's my insulin?
Baby comes out like, oh, it's a little girl. They put like mad chewing tobacco in her mouth, like, chew up, little patriot. I'm gonna name her Clean Coal.
Yo, I don't know what the fuck the appeal of chewing tobacco is. There's nothing appealing about that shit. It's gross. It makes you lightheaded. It tastes gross. I mean, it smells minty sometimes.
I mean, you don't know, because someone could say the same thing for weed. Someone could say the same thing for like a Coca-Cola. I guess right place, right time. Yeah. Like think about like say like a nice moonlit night. You know what I'm saying? You on the hood of your F-150.
Yeah. You got
stars is over you.
Empty can of Bud Light to spit into.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
You reach in your back pocket. get a little of that fucking
You know what I mean?
chewing tobacco. You
know
put it
what I mean?
behind.
Pack a lip.
Reach over. You just tongue kiss your sister.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You transfer the dip to her mouth. Like,
Yeah, look.
Yeah, there you go, Amy Lynn.
Coming up this weekend on Ballaf. What's the name of that show on MTV? Bama Shore?
Floribama
Shore?
Oh, God.
All right.
All right. Y'all keep doing what y'all do.
Okay. They were like, how can we get New Jersey Shore, but for like, I don't know, people between, I want to say Alabama and Florida.
Floribama Shore.
President of the network.
Oh,
right there.
let's go. Damn, that shit is really, damn. They
And
really,
the first line, they're like, for the team behind pop culture powerhouse Jersey Shore.
Of
No
course.
shit.
No fucking shit.
We know that.
You might as well just bring back Jersey Shore with the original cast, B, if you're going to do that.
Can you redo Jersey Shore? Well, with the original class is old though now.
And they're washed, but now it's interesting because some of them are like wild tax evaders. Some of them actually have a little bit of money. Some of them don't. So it'll be an interesting dynamic. They should bring Shorty back that they kicked out in the beginning and she bounced out the crib with all her shit in garbage bags. She came to the crib with all her shit in garbage bags and bounced the same way.
They should
I wonder
do
where she's
Jersey
at.
Shore with actual Italians. How about that?
Yeah, that's true.
How about that?
Ronnie was Puerto Rican. Front.
Yeah. They should do, instead of Jersey Shore, do Allentown.
Oh my God.
I would watch that. Allentown Shore.
Allentown Shore.
Yeah.
We're landlocked. But fuck it. We got a shore.
You sure?
You sure? Niggas at the edge of like a fucking dirty ass lake and shit. Like, this is a pond. It's full of scum and antifreeze, but this is where we swim. Like, yo, damn, nigga. Well, y'all niggas still got cigarette vending machines? Where are we? Like, what year is this?
As in Allentown. Oh, it's Allentown. Gotta watch that show.
Yo.
I mean, we're rebooting all these shows. What
Why
was that
not?
show about? I was about to say, what was that show about Washington Heights?
It's called Watch That.
But yes, that was a bad show. I remember watching that show like, damn, I can't wait to go Washington Heights. I was like, nigga, I was just
I was
in
just
Washington
there.
Heights. That's just nothing like that.
I was like, oh shit, I'm right here right now.
Everyone was like, to come from the Heights, you had to have a dream. You had to have passion. I'm a fashion designer / jazz musician. I'm like,
No, I was like,
you
yo,
know,
niggas
we
ain't
come
jazz
school and smoke
musicians.
weed. It's not that serious.
Like, fam.
what the fuck?
Like, yo, we all went to G-Dub and like,
Gotta
come
get
school
out
to
of
smoke
here. I'll
weed.
tell you everything. Just the passion, the future, the Latin, the chismo. I'm like, nigga, what? I was like, nigga, all right, throw down the key for 3G. Your grandma left. We chilling in here
Come
today.
on.
The fuck?
They should have did the real Watch Heights.
real
Like,
Watch
you know what I'm saying?
Heights.
Like, Shorty selling the fucking
parties.
fucking Habichuela con dulce on 181st to say naked shit. Like, have her be the main star and then just have mad bottle waitresses.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Just mad junior high school kids.
That's
and
it, bro.
Your man come over with Shorty, and he's
That's
like,
it.
yo, let him hit it too. And she's like, all right, fine.
Me and Julio were talking about breaking up, so we met up at Mama Sushi to talk it out. Niggas smoking hookah, you don't even hear the dialogue, it's just mad loud. Like, yo,
With that stupid baby that got the baby lungs and he can't smoke hookah. That's how I know that baby's not mine. I don't even know why she bring that baby to Mama Sushi.
I know fucking baby, my nigga, I fucking man.
That's not my best. How this baby got a fucking
Shut up, my nigga, shut up. I know fucking baby, my nigga, shut up.
Oh. It's the Heights, yo.
Yo. Let's
mean,
do it. Dykeman Diaries?
Dykeman Diaries.
You know what I'm saying?
We have all these ideas and like people are starting to steal them. Shout out to Amazon stealing the Cardi B
idea.
Alexa voice.
You're welcome. You fucking wings.
I wonder that at some point we're gonna have to actually sue somebody for stealing something from them.
Yeah.
So that's gonna instead of us working hard, we're gonna let someone else do all the work, and we're gonna do like the group that Lord Tariq and Peter Gunn sampled, Steely Dan.
Oh, Steely Dan, yeah.
Yeah, thank you, thank
Thank
you
you
for all the work.
Thank
we'll
you.
take all
We'll
95% of the royalties.
You're very
Yeah.
welcome. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Okay, can't wait. So go ahead, run off one of our ideas.
Go ahead. Use that bass line again. Boom.
When we start our show, we're gonna steal that. Dare Jerry Seinfeld to sue us. You're like, I have too much money to
I
even
don't
care
even
about
care.
this.
It cost me more to go to the lawyer's office than it would to just sit here and laugh at you fucking weirdos. Might as well just hang out here.
I don't want anybody. I just want to hug Jerry. I'm just gonna hug me.
No, thank you. No, thank you.
gonna hug.
Just get away from me.
Hug.
Sorry.
I love you.
Damn, bruh. Kesha gave that wild heartfelt performance at the Grammys and shit.
She did.
I don't know if it was about Jerry Seinfeld or not.
Damn. Wow. Wow. Wow, this nigga just transformed into Staten Island Chuck for real. I think there's about to be 6 more weeks of winter. And by winter, I mean a little nose candy in the nose.
Hey, bada bing. No. Let's stay off the coke.
We stay off the coke.
Stay off the coke.
Stay off the coke. I mean, you don't need coke to do a show like this. The #1 morning show in Tampa, Florida. It's your boy Jesus the
That's
Dingo.
right.
And it's the Kid Mero.
Hey, woo, how you doing?
Every time they play you, it's like a baby noise. Like,
Dad of the year. Yeah. Up next, we have 2-hour block of Poison.
Poison. No, actually, to be cool, it's a mashup. It's Poison, BBD's Poison, mashed
Poison
up with
band?
Poison.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Look at that.
It's kind of sad, actually.
It's
like
fucking
people really
disgusting.
rocking at their work desk. Like, I really like
Damn,
this.
bruh.
This group is great. Where are they from? Someone's like, they used to have a show on Viceland, and then they just kept making problematic jokes. And got taken away
Yeah,
from
they
them.
got taken away. Wow, they
Now
took it
look,
away.
they were like, wow, how did they both lose their hairline at the same time? It's like, that's just how life is sometimes.
So, that's the way life goes.
Damn.
That was a very sad. Is that Madonna? No,
Which
that's
one?
Janet Jackson.
Yeah.
I'm bugging. Wow.
It wasn't a sad song.
It was sexy.
That's the way love goes.
Yeah.
That's the difference. Not that's the way
That's
life
the
goes.
way
This is what someone
love
sings to you after you
goes.
watch a house burn down or your family dies in it, and they want to be whimsical. They're like, that's the way
Life
That's the way
goes.
life goes.
And they got the fucking Rhythm Nation hat on. You're like,
That's the way love goes.
shout out to Janet. Her and JD
Yeah.
getting back together. You hear about that?
Who? Oh,
Yeah.
shout out to. No, they said that's not true.
Is that true?
They said that's true. I think she let out a statement that actually said, "No, I'm not getting back with that ugly little nigga."
Oh, damn.
I could be mistaken.
I could
Be mistaken, but that's what I heard.
I feel like I was so smacked. We saw him at like some A&E thing, and I was just like, "Damn, you're mad little." I think I really said that out loud when I was trying to just think it.
Yeah, I think we did. That did happen. He was also at the Red Bull Sound Clash. They brought him out, and I was like, oh shit, Jermaine Dupri. He's not Jamaican, but
Yeah,
okay,
fuck it.
I'll fucks with it.
Is Jermaine Dupri even? That's not a Jamaican name. Sounds French.
Jermaine Dupri.
Yeah.
Dupri sounds French, but Jermaine, that's definitely.
That sounds Haitian, actually. Jermaine Dupri. He might be Haitian. Is
that,
he a
sounds like
secret
a,
Haitian?
that sounds like a Haitian scammer.
Haitian scammer.
That's like someone who hit you up by Rocket Mail talking about you want to buy Yeezys using Bitcoin.
It's me, Jermaine Dupri, my friend.
I'm like,
Come
no,
on.
I'm
Come
not
on.
falling for that.
I have Yeezys for you, my friend.
I did not fall for this.
My brother, come here. Look at this. Huh? You like this?
Is that Haitian or you're African or just very, very problematic?
I was trying to talk to my grandfather, who was Haitian, and that's what he sounded like
Well,
when he wasn't speaking Spanish.
Miro trying to sneak. I'm getting real tired of you and that girl with the afro trying to sneak fucking Afro-Latino culture on the mainstream, okay? We're not buying it. We're not buying it.
Bruh, yeah,
I'm anti-Afro-Latino. I'm going on the record right now. I'm not for the agenda. I don't like them. They're indoctrinating our kids, our schools. I am Hotep anti-Afro-Latino, okay? There's a difference. There is a difference.
I mean,
No. You got your chocolate in my peanut butter. No.
No.
That's how on my rallies it's gonna be on one hand it's like a thing of peanut butter and the other one's gonna be a chocolate. I'll be like, the two should not mix.
The two should
not mix.
Yeah, then people are like, Reese's are delicious though.
No. Well, you know how like Outright has like the little Pepe? I'm gonna have the little Coyotito. I'm like, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Shit.
No, little Cokie. The
Little
little,
Cokie?
the little Puerto Rican frog? Yes. That is the Cokie is now officially
Yeah.
the sign of the alt-right.
Alt-right.
Yeah, against Afro-Latinos.
Things like alt-right.
Unfortunately, we scheduled to have our first rally at Orchard Beach on May 31st. I don't know if you guys want to really go there.
Nah, with an anti-Afro-Latino rally? No. Get ready to get beat up by a bunch of Puerto Rican titis. Yo, that's like going to the freestyle festival and being like, yo.
Freestyle is dead.
The freestyle's dead. It sucks.
No, freestyle's never dead. Neither is real hip hop. Neither is the art. Damn it! It's been episode 98.
Yeah, that's right, you cowards.
You know what it is.
Yeah.
#1 morning show DJs in Tampa, Florida. It's your boy Jesus Nice. AKA Jesus Vice. AKA Young Chipotle. AKA Pocket Say Fat Like Tyrio.
That's
AKA
right.
Chris Ass Wrestling Dick. Eli Lippy. Butcher was Gully. Slow, but I might know you. Bitch.
he
Slung
might.
Day Party. Young Hot Take. DJ Take Fuego. Mr. Nanas with Arando. 1994 in Nueva York. Mikhail
Oh, my
going off
God.
the Juve Boss. MC Lugun. People
Just
number
right.
40 with Shirley. AKA Don't Talk to Me No Pool.
Oh, I don't know. You think I
Don't even know
who are you?
Next stop, Allentown. Damn, taking an Uber pool to Allentown.
Yeah, it's just expensive. $20.
They're like, why would you take an Uber fool? Because I got Coke on me, nigga. The original +1 got +1. Don't make a fuss on it. James Rossi, Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, Jose Mufasa, Young Chakuni without the coonery, a.k.a. Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, Gail O'K, Michael Zaka, G-Phone Jones, Jesus Chakina, Jay Chuckle, Stanley Cup, the human Dr. Bottles, with Dilute.
Damn.
Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240 Pico, like my Pinot.
That's right.
DJ Wool, like a.k.a. listen to Watch FM. Up next, we got 4 hours of Mr. Serve Now. Oh, yeah. The Scurry Goat, DJ Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx Celine Dion, the Rain Nephew's nephew, the Rain you cannot contain on the human memory word of young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henrik Budcross, Nelson Bangdella, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Bufin, the human weather's melting in your mouth, Mr. Bex on Decadent, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich, want to say it with your chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi. Nah, man, I could be black, I got that cucumber. Just depressed, but your boy never is.
Yeah.
I am the art, damn it, the Dundada Ganoush, no more pickers, press him. No more cup of noodles. The Prince of Peckers, the Fast Nova, Cast Nova. Who you make sense? $5, $10. Forget the small change.
Why on?
Big money.
That's right.
The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Saga, catch me at Square One.
Yo, top left, homie.
You know what it is. Chill Kazuto. Holy cow. You know what it is. Mr. Southpaw, all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff, Soda, and it's me, Sunny D.
Hey.
It's Jesus David Europeman. These expensive Jesus red bottoms, Jesus bloody shoes. Smokeem Noah, yo. Mr. Chop in that street, he's bad breezy like I'm easy. Please believe me, black AD addict who'll crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. Lamarina, Mesmerina with fresh misdemeanor, cold demeanor, aka you're problematic, babe.
Yeah, boy. We lived up to that shit today, boy. Goddamn.
Bring it back to problematic. Bring it back to problematic.
That's right. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy, the Camaro, aka the Human Durag Flap, aka Curve Gotti, aka Triz Khalifa, aka Skirt Loader, aka I the fucking baby, I fucking man. Shut up, my nigga. Check the guest list again. I'm right there, nigga, right next to Eric Trump. As a matter of fact, I don't even want to go in here. Wow. He's on the guest list? I'll skip this shit.
Man. Off that.
I'm off there. I'm going to Macosa instead. Yo, I fucking buy my kids Harachis in every motherfucking colorway, nigga, because I'm the fucking dad of the year. AKA Bitch Smack Biombo, AKA Dick in your baby Matumbo. You know, go on this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me now. AKA Barlow Santana, so smooth. My anxiety is at a manageable level now. AKA the Dominican Dada, AKA Lighten Up Dutchie. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? Meet me on Vermilia, and we can smoke some shit in the blood tube. AKA Tom Brady, girl got my balls deflated. Yes, I kiss my kids in the mouth, I don't care. AKA Phil the Ass Tyson. I want to explode your cosmos, man. Open up your Milky Way. Let's see that. Yeah, touch it and play with it. Yeah, let me see. AKA Frino Messi MVP Gelato. AKA Daniel Benefield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Ben Boston. I have the Swiss precision of a Swiss wristwatch. I'll replace your heart with a Camry transmission. Now you can Uber everywhere. Skirt. AKA, I open your medicine cabinet. You're gonna secure your motherfucking bezels. Cause it's the Zen Man. It's gonna be AKA Rico Sabroso, AKA Baby Newport, AKA Nino Brown, AKA East Tremont Bini, CVB, catch me at the 13th annual Freestyle Festival. I wanna be the one your DP is sucking. AKA from across the pond, mates. It's me. The plantates you've been over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. Nodding off the benzos on the back of the non-buzz. Pulling up from 40 out here. Give me my motherfucking touches. This is your boy, Barmelos Anthony. Bang! If you see me at Target fucking up the dollar section, nigga, like a raccoon with rabies, approach me like a ursine mammal, nigga. I may react erratically. You understand? I sold fake link to your favorite SoundCloud rapper, nigga. He's high off Dayquil, and now later, right now, he's like, woo, 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 woo. Hassan, tírame la pito, coño. ¿Qué fue? Llegado el ejército y FIFA, coño, más caliente que la pistola de Rambo. Más frío con el quemalito, más de mamita. Big Tiger Gang, destruyendo Dagman, matando Manhattan, vacilando en el Bronx. Ponte clara de huevo, cabañema, que me tienen. Hello.
I have to go to work in the morning.
Man, fuck you, my nigga.
I have to go to work in the morning.
Pío,
you
dile.
have to keep it down.
Pío, dile.
I'm a public school teacher.
Shut up, my nigga.
It's 5 a.m.
My nigga, shut up, my nigga. I live here for 25 years.
God,
I live here for 40 years.
Goya talking.
You just moved here from New Hampshire. Get the fuck out of here, my nigga. Get the fuck out of here. Ponte claro. Hey. Estamos desacatados y vamos bajando rico con la funda y la paca, papi. Así que anímate. Episode 98, nigga. We out here. ¡Cabula!
Close the window like
I can't.
Honey, why would we move
can't even
here? Why would we
deal.
move here?
It's up and coming, sweetheart. Relax.
Okay, I know about gentrification. I know how it works, but how much longer do we have to wait for the gentrification?
Wait for like 6 I mean, if you stop buying coke off Julio, maybe that'll accelerate the process, you dumb bitch.
That's neither the process. That's neither here nor there.
God damn it.
Bring this up.
God damn it.
You're so high and mighty, okay? Don't forget. You come from Staten Island.
Yeah, well, you know.
You're not that different from your brother.
Oh, well.
Your brother, Mike Anthony.
Yeah, no, don't bring him up. I hate when you bring him up.
Next week on the ballad of Mike Anthony.
Damn.
We out.